Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic LibreOffice Writer tutorial how to bookmark. So as example, I will create in here. Okay, I will set the names into number 1 and you can sort the text. Click at this icon, insert bookmark, and will be show the bookmark dialog box. So for the names, I will set into number 1. Click insert. And second, I will create again in here. Okay, we can set into number 2. Can select again and click insert bookmark. Now you can click insert with number 2. Insert. Now if you want to move into the number 1 in the bookmark, you can click again the icon insert bookmark, and then you can select for the number 1. You can click go to and to be moved into the number 1. I will select again number 2. You can click go to move into number 2. So that's it for a basic LibreOffice Writer tutorial how to bookmarks. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.